manual voter roll and this new innovation. There are numerous challenges that have been at the bedrock of the disputes around elections in Zimbabwe. The first dispute around the voter roll has been the manipulation of that voter roll by a man called Zobai Wamdele, who is the Registrar General in Zimbabwe. And it will appear that not unless the biometric voters registration exercise assures the people of Zimbabwe that they are now weaned from the challenges arising out of the manual voter roll, will this new method inspire confidence in the people of Zimbabwe? Now, the challenges that we are familiar with from the old voter roll, manual voter roll, was that, for instance, in the 2013 elections, you had about 800,000 assisted voters countrywide. And that accounts for about 1/3 of the people who cast their vote.